Why choose factory authorized parts control boards over aftermarket replacements? It comes down to four things: system performance, system reliability, installation and serviceability, and safety. Let's take a closer look at the features and benefits of factory authorized parts control boards. First, factory authorized parts control boards ensure optimum system performance. One way they do this is by eliminating cold blow during defrost mode. In situations involving a heat pump with a secondary heat source, factory authorized parts boards are designed to shut off the blower when the igniter is energized during defrost mode. And then they turn the blower back on at the factory engineered optimum time. This prevents cold air from blowing into the home, and that means happier, more comfortable customers. Some generic boards do not offer the same precision when restarting the blower. Factory authorized parts boards also minimize noise generation. They're designed for quiet operation. Some generic boards make a noticeable high-pitched noise whenever the gas valve is energized. When you choose factory authorized parts control boards, you'll also improve the reliability of the system. Factory authorized parts boards can significantly extend heat exchanger life because they're designed to run at several different blower on delay times, depending on the product type. Use of the correct blower on delay reduces wear on the heat exchanger. Some generic boards can reduce the life of the heat exchanger because they may offer only one blower on delay time. And speaking of component lifespans, factory authorized parts control boards will also extend igniter life by turning off the igniter the moment a flame is sensed. Some generic boards keep the igniter energized even after the flame is present. This creates additional wear on the igniter. If you're looking for ease of installation and serviceability, factory authorized parts control boards are the best choice. You'll limit needless service calls because when the flame is lost, a factory authorized parts board will shut down and complete the blower off delay. After the off delay is completed, a new heat cycle will begin. Generic boards may try to reignite immediately, leading to a needless service call. You'll also reduce expensive board replacements when you use factory authorized parts control boards. They feature a faulty fuse indicator, so you can avoid replacing the whole board when only the fuse is bad. Some generic boards do not have an indication for a faulty fuse, and this can lead to more control board replacements. And the fourth reason to choose factory authorized parts control boards is safety. Factory authorized parts control boards have a flame rollout detection algorithm that shuts off the furnace when it's starved for combustion air. This is a great safety precaution since this feature prevents flame rollouts. Some generic boards may fail to prevent a flame rollout because they don't perform such lockouts. Factory authorized parts boards feature superior gas valve relay operation. At the end of a call for heat, if the gas valve relay in the control board does not open, the control board will detect voltage through the closed relay and shut the furnace down. The loss of 24-volt AC through the gas valve relay will de-energize the gas valve. This prevents unignited gas from entering the burner chamber. Some generic boards will not de-energize the valve in the same scenario, which can result in unignited gas entering the burner chamber. In a dead blower situation, factory authorized parts control boards will ensure the integrity of the flue pipe by locking out the heat cycle. Some generic boards could cause damage to the flue pipe because they may continue to cycle heat on and off without locking out for several hours. Then there's polarity sensing. With a factory authorized parts board, polarity sense works whether the furnace is grounded or not. On some generic boards, the polarity sense only works when the furnace is grounded. Finally, factory authorized parts control boards maintain equipment safety certifications. Even if the aftermarket part is qualified, the furnace won't be if you use a generic board as a replacement. For optimum system performance, improved system reliability, ease of installation and serviceability, and safety, choose the control board you can trust. Factory authorized parts control boards. They're available at your nearest Carrier Bryant Distribution Parts Center.